Um, James says, is accountants, CPAs, tax professionals a good niche for local SEO services? Yeah, it can be. And here's the, okay, this might sound a little bit counterintuitive, but um, CPAs and accountants, remember, who are their clients? Business owners. Well, there's also consumers too, but a lot of CPAs, certified public accountants, are, doing business taxes. So, um, if you can do good job, like to provide marketing services and lead generation services for CPAs, tax accountants, et cetera, like tax professionals that have access to a lot of other businesses, it could open up a huge door for referral business from them. Like, in other words, and again, I tell everybody to niche down, I get it. But what if you had two niches, right? Like you had the tax professional niche that you use to then get in with CPAs that have a portfolio of business clients. And then you can, even if like for example, you could, like an HVAC company or something like that, which is typically the companies that have a lot of inventory and things like that are typically going to use CPAs, right? Tree service contractors a lot of the times don't. And those that, all I'm saying is you can identify business industries or business verticals that almost always use CPAs, which any successful company is going to use a CPA, right? It's only the solopreneurs that don't think that they can afford a CPA that try to do taxes themselves, which I learned long, long time ago when I started businesses. Just hire a damn tax professional because they're worth their weight in gold. The amount of money that they're going to save you on taxes is 100% worth the cost of their services. You get a return on it, really. And so anyway, what I'm saying is you can, if you have tax professionals as your one, I always tell people to select one niche, but in this case, I would say select two because it opens up the opportunity to get access to the CPAs that you were providing services to, their portfolio of business accounts for referral basis. And if you just select one additional industry that is common for them to use CPAs, then that's, you could just tell that your CPA client, hey, do you have any clients in the HVAC industry? Just as an example, I'm using that as an example. Would you mind referring them to me or referring me to, like, me to them or them to me, or both, right? Would you mind making an introduction from me to them? Because that's a great way to land a hell of, guys, referrals are the easiest closes you'll make. And so if you can get a referral from a CPA to another business owner in a different industry, for marketing services, it's going to be an easy sale for you, if that makes sense. So yes, that's a good industry. Okay.